Today I want to talk a little bit about commissions and whether you should do them as an artist or avoid them. Hello everyone, my name is Mike Svob and welcome to my channel. I've been an artist and a teacher for over 30 years and I decided to start this channel to help you become a better artist. If you stay with me on this channel, I will answer your questions on a weekly basis about how to become that better artist. Some artists I know love commissions, some artists hate commissions, and I'm somewhere in the middle. I do commissions sometimes, and sometimes I avoid them. There are certain practices I've come to do over the years with commissions. One of the things I've learned is to avoid bad ideas. Now, I've had people come to me with, the idea for a commission, and in the beginning, I would never turn anything down. Most artists are like that. When you're starting out, you need the money, you need the work, whatever it is. Somebody's interested in what you're doing, I'm going to try it. So originally, I knew it was a bad idea going in. I would try to work on it. I would spend a ton more time and effort on it than I really wanted to. And in the end, I wasn't satisfied. And in some cases, the client wasn't satisfied. So I learned to turn them down. If I don't like them, you're better off to go do something else. Now, if you're going to take commissions from people, it's a good idea to make it as clear as possible to those people what you plan to do as an artist so that they know what they're getting into. Make sure that you've seen a lot of your work. Make sure they're committed to you and you're committed to them. So what you do is you ask them for a down payment, or if you're in galleries, I do this with the galleries, they will get a down payment from the person. And don't make it petty. Don't make it, give me $100 or, give me 10%. Get like half up front and tell them if they don't like the painting, I'll keep the painting and I keep the money. And then they'll be committed to you. They will make sure that they know they want you to do this because they've already put up half the money to, so that your time's worth something. If you sell yourself short and you say, well, I'll just do it, we'll see if it works out, you're going to be doing a lot of paintings where you see if it works out and they decide for whatever reason, it may not even be the artwork, that now they don't really want the painting. So is that a good thing or a bad thing? Probably a bad thing if it's not something you wouldn't have done anyway. If it was something you would have done anyway, it's not really a big deal, but I don't do commissions unless I get half the money up front. So it's not a bad way to go. You can decide for yourself, but those are just some aspects of commissions, what to watch out for, and how you might deal with them. I hope you found this information useful. Now, I have a handout called How to Fix Your Painting, and you can get it by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching.